Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed the continuity at a point x is equals to c. When we can tell a function f of x is continuous at x is equals to c means if that function satisfies the condition limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. If the function is splits into the two or more functions, then at that turning point x greater than 1, x less than 1 is 1 we had to find x equals to 1 we had to find LHL RHL. Then we had to prove that in order to prove that f of x is continuous, you have to prove that LHL is equals to RHL is equals to f of c. Okay. What is meant by LHL? LHL means limit x tends to c minus. C minus means what? Less than c. C minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to c plus f of x is equals to f of c. Have to prove that. This is the condition. Okay. At the corner point. Corner point adre prove ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು formalize. These are the two formulas to prove whether the given function is continuous or not. Okay. So in some other problems, this is only two formulas. Okay. If you have any doubt, means you can ask. By asking the doubts only, the problems will be solved. Okay na? Nim doubt bandre kelbeke ಹೊರತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay. So next we will move to the next problem. Continuity. Exercise 5.1. Question number 3. Examine the following functions for the continuity. Examine the following function for the continuity. Whether this function is continuous or not. But here in these problems, there is no point is given. Point ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Okay na? ನೋಡಿ. Only function is given. f of x equals to x minus 5. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to consider c ಅನ್ನೋ ಜನರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? If the point is not given, you have to consider c point. Otherwise, a and as your wish. Okay, I am considering c. Okay, answer. Let c be any real number. C be any real number. Now, real number c. Okay, now point is c. Put it one. Limit x tends to c. f of x can write limit x tends to c f of x is x minus 5. Substitute c value, x value place only c substitute ಮಾಡಿ c minus 5. This is nothing but directly you can write like direct f of c ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So therefore limit x tends to c f of x equals to f of c. Condition satisfied. So therefore f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. Okay. This is the first problem. Next we will move to the second problem. See, second problem. f of x is equals to 1 divided by x minus 5, but the condition is x is not equals to 5. 5 on x. Okay. So let c be any real number. Okay. C any real number. C be real. What is the condition? Limit x tends to c f of x. Limit x tends to c f of x is equals to limit x tends to c. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but 1 divided by x minus 5 is equals to 1 divided by c minus 5. C x tends to c minus 5. 1 divided by c minus 5. C minus 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is nothing but f of c. No problem. So this is also f is also continuous. F of x is continuous. Okay. Next we will move to the third problem. Next question number 3. Okay, this is question number 3. f of x is equals to x square minus 25 divided by x plus 5. X is not equals to minus 5. Why? Because it is undefined. That's why. Okay. Same procedure. You homework ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So c be any real number. So So limit x tends to c f of x is equals to f of x place ಏನು what to write this one x square minus 25 divided by x plus 5 x plus 5 substitute c value here c square minus 25 divided by c plus 5 so this is the answer c substitute ಮಾಡೋದು so this is nothing but f of c enough. So f of x is continuous. Very simple. Okay. So I will give another homework for you. What is that homework means? F of x is equals to modulus x minus 1. Fourth one. This is the homework for you. Okay. My dear students, modulus x minus 5. So this is the homework for you. Same x minus 5. Same c ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ f of x substitute ಮಾಡಿ modulus c minus 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ is equals to f of x f of c minus. Very easy problems, very dead easy problems. Okay, so this is the condition. If point is not given means we have to consider ourselves as point as c. Now illa sir nage ishta illa I will take a point ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ x tends to a ನೀವು a ತಗೊಂತಿರೋ variable you have to consider that. Okay, next we will move to the fourth one already done in last video. Next fifth one also over. Next we will move to the next problem. See, my dear students, these two had to do the homework same. If you have any doubt means you go through the textbook page number 151. Okay, page number 151. I will explain how to do this one. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x is equals to x cubed plus x square minus 1. Already told now. Okay, already told. If point is not given, if the point is not given, point namagu kottilla antandre had to consider the point is c ಅನ್ನೋ point ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? So here x tends to c, limit x tends to c f of x is equals to substitute this one c cube plus c square minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ is equals to f of c minus 1. Same simple. Last problems ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ same had to do this one same. Okay, same this is also same like that only. Discuss the continuity of the function if this is continuous function. Okay, discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x equals to 1 by x is not equals to 0. Same here also we have to consider the c point x tends to c, limit x tends to c f of x is equals to limit x tends to c 1 by x is equals to 1 by c substitute ಮಾಡಿ 1 by c, therefore is equals to f of x is continuous. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? So like that we have to prove. Very simple, one line, two lines. These two have to do the work. Okay, next we will move to the next problem. See next, see this is an example for somewhat different problem, but very easy, same procedure, somewhat different. That's it. Show that the function f given by f of x is equals to x cubed plus 3 if x is not equals to 0. X is not equals to 0 to ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರಿ x may be some other than 0. 1 x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3, x equals to 4, x equals to minus 1 like that. Okay, x ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ x is not equals to 0. when x equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್? if x equals to 0 this function will becomes 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Understood now? This is the function. Had to prove that this is not continuous at x is equals to 0. Not continuous at x is equals to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಅನದರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ LHL ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. So I had to do the first formula. First formula is what is that first formula? Limit x tends to c f of x is equals to f of c. That is the formula. Answer. See how to do this one. Limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 f of x. Why is that 0 ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x tends to 0 means what? It is not equals to is it x equals to 0 or actual already told in first PUC. Okay, first PUC already x tends to 0 means it is close to 0. Otherwise 0.000001. Otherwise in this case minus 0 here like this. This is 0 now. This is 1. This is minus 1 now. Okay. What is this here? 0.000001. Here minus 0.000001. It is not equals to 0. 0 agalla. It is close to 0. Close against 0 itte but now derive madbekalva values we have to find out. That's why we are equating, we are substituting that value. Adu substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, but your thinking will be different. That is not okay. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So x tends to 0 f of x. Okay, limit x tends to 0. So 0 of x ಅಲ್ಲಿ two functions ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆನಾ? So x tends to 0 means it is close to 0. That's why you have to take this function x cubed plus 3. X cubed plus 3. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 0 cubed 0. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equals to what? 3. So this is the first. Okay. Next f of 0. F of 0 means but x equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of 0 is equals to what? 1. Problem ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. f of 0 is equals to 1. Why? Because x is 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f of 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? f of 0 is equals to what? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. f of 0 is equals to 1. Both are same. ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Not same. That is 3, this is 1. So therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x is not equals to f of 0. Now what is the c value? C ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 is c. Limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c ಬರಬೇಕಾ? 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು c ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Both are not equal. Therefore we can tell that this function is not continuous. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? So first time ಇದೆ continuous ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದು, first time ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Example, this is example which is not continuous at that point. Okay. So students ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Okay, update the new things. That in that time only you will achieve. Okay, your knowledge will be increased. Okay, my dear students. So therefore f is not continuous. F is not continuous. Understood or not? So like that we have to do. This is the example 4. Very easy problem. Next we will move to the example 5. Next we will move to the next example 5. Example 5. See my dear students, this is the example. See. Check the points where the constant function f of x is continuous. So constant function f of x is equals to 5, f of x is equals to 8, f of x is equals to 9, f of x is equals to 10. Constant value is equals to constant value. So generally ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲವಾ? So that's why we are considering k. K may be 10, 5, minus 2 by 3, minus 8 by 5, minus 10, minus 100, minus 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay. So constant function is always continuous. Very important for CET also. This is very important for the CET also. CET is very important. Constant function is always continuous. Incontinuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. Same procedure. Here point is not given. No, that's why what to consider? Already told now, if point is not given, we have to take C point. C ಅನ್ನೋ point ತಗೋ. Okay, answer. Let C be any real number. ಅದಾಗ ಈ ತರ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. C be any real number. C be any real number. Okay na? What is the functionality to prove continuous, whether the function is continuous or not? Means same first formula is there, no? Same formula. What is that? Tell me. Limit. What is the function? F of x is equals to what? F of x is equals to k. Very good. Next, limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to. Okay, limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to. Assumption. Limit x tends to c, f of x. What is f of x? K. So this is the key. Okay. Constant ke limit ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Already told so many times. Constant, this is constant, maybe 2/3, 4/3, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, minus 100, like that. Constant ಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So therefore K. This is nothing but f of c. Direct values. Limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then you can tell that f of x is continuous. Very easy. Okay, f of x is equals to x. Okay, constant function continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? this is constant function. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ CET. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which function is not continuous ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ is always continuous. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, always continuous constant function. Okay, so f of x is equals to k is continuous function. Okay, constant function constant function. Okay, constant function f of x, okay, constant function f of x equals to k is continuous function. Artha aita? Very very important for CET. Constant function is continuous. Next we move to the example 6. So my dear students, I changed next question. Example 6. Rub madilla change martini stay. Okay. Example 6. What is example 6? Prove that the identity function on real numbers. Given by f of x is equals to x. Identity function. Already told example 5 is constant function is continuous. This is identity functions. Identity function. First piece is already identity function. Identity function is f of x is equals to x. Constant function is f of x is equals to k. F of x is equals to x means identity function. F of x is equals to k means a constant function. Now this is identity function. Identity function is continuous at every number. This is also very very important for CET and main examination. 2 marks question or 1 marks. Okay. So identity function is also continuous function. The prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is the question. So how to prove this one? See, I will tell. See my dear students. See, f of x is equals to x is what function? It is a continuous function. Is identity function. Identity function is continuous always. See how it will be. See. So same point is not given now. That's why we have to consider ourselves. C point ತಗೋಬೇಕು. C be any real number. Same procedure. For previous problem also this also same. F of x equals to what? Identity function x tagonu. Good. Say which formula you have to use? 2 formulas are there. First formula you have to use. What is that formula? Limit x tends to c, f of x equals to f of c. That's it. Okay. So limit x tends to c, f of x pariyana. Limit x tends to c. What is f of x? X. Write on x. Okay. Now substitute x equals to c here. C here. So this is nothing but f of c. Very basic. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನಂತರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಓಕೆ, f is equals to f of c. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to c, f of x equals to f of c. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ in order to get the marks. Okay, first you have to learn thoroughly. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು have to learn. Okay, not getting means you have to ask the doubts. Okay, doubts na ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. After that one you have to learn. Okay, if not possible you have to do some techniques use ಮಾಡಿ. What is the technique? That is the technique. Limit x tends to c, f of x equals to f of c. Have to prove no. That's why limit x tends to c, f of x, x substitute x c is equals to nothing but the f of c. So f of x is equals to x is continuous function. So identity function is continuous. Very easy now. Very dead easy problems. Okay, same procedure following for all problems. Okay, so now we discuss the two types of functions. One is constant function, another one is this one, identity function. Constant function is continuous at a very real number, and this identity function is also continuous at a very real number. Okay na? Next we will move to the next example 7. Okay, next my dear students, next we will move to the example 7. Example 7 is the function defined by f of x is equals to mod x, a continuous function and the person mark. Okay, already this problem already done. Okay, up to some extent x is equals to 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So every real number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, I had to prove that. This question is very important and you had to understand. Okay, so already we discussed the two types of functions. One is identity function and another one is constant function, is always continuous. Third function, modulus function, is also a continuous function. Three types of functions ಬಂದಿದೆ. First one is constant, second one is identity, third one is constant. Third one is modulus function. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CET ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ in the shape of V shape, already told in first PUC. First PUC already ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this is a modulus function, mod x function. Okay, this is mod x function. If it is a modulus function, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು. So this is continuous function. Sir, mod x, okay sir, mod x minus 1 by mod x minus 1. So mod x minus 1 means x is equals to 1 point at the level. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, in V shape, x minus 1. mod x minus 2 point at the level. So if you consider any modulus function, if you consider any modulus function, is always continuous. Okay, so this is not differentiable at this. ಇದತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. very important, very technically I had to strong. Okay, so my dear students, modulus function is always continuous function. Okay, keep it in your mind. Constant function is continuous and modulus function is continuous and identity function is also continuous. Three functions are continuous. Another function will come, greatest integer function, that is not continuous at everywhere, but some extent it is continuous. So we will see. So these are the four types of functions we have to discuss in this chapter. Very important for CET and also for PUC board examination. Okay na? Next we move to the this one. How to prove mathematically? See my dear students, how to prove mathematically the modulus function is continuous. Then prove ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see here, this is the answer. I will tell, please listen here. So modulus function is split into the two functions, already told in first PUC, already last video also I already explained. Another time I am telling. See why? Because this is very important throughout your mathematics career. Okay, so if you go engineering also, there you will find this one. Okay, that's why. Okay, x, f of x is equals to x, modulus function. This is modulus function. F of x is equals to x. When it will be x? If x greater than or equals to 0, it is minus x. X less than 0. Okay, so modulus function ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, okay, I will upload one video of the modulus function, different types of functions of first PUC. I will upload. Please go through that video. Sure you will get a good idea about the modulus function. Okay, modulus function ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಈ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so modulus function, when x greater than or equals to 0, it will become x. X less than 0, it will become minus x. This is the functionality of the modulus function. Okay, so point is not given now, that's why we have to take C point. Okay, C point ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ already told ನಾವು, ಈ ತರ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ವಾ, this is turning point. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this turning point is is turning point is 0. 0 no 0. Less than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ one case ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Greater than 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ one case. So x is equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ one case. Total 3 cases we have to prove that. Okay, 3 cases ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is continuous ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First I will c is equals to 0 ಅಂತ prove. Let case 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x is equals to 0, otherwise c is equals to 0. Why? Because c ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, x is equals to 0, c is equals to 0, both are same. c is equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ LHL RHL prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Already told on the last video, you have to watch the video. ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? x is equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ had to find LHL and RHL. Why? Because 0 0 2 times ಬರೀದ. This is a technique already told. ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they have to find out the LHL RHL. So I have to find whether that function is continuous or not. That's why I have to find. Okay, LHL. So LHL is equals to what? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means what? 0 minus means what? Less than 0. Less than 0 means this one. Minus x. So 0 substitute for the minus 0. So 0. Next RHL. Okay, RHL. Same. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0. 0 plus means what? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this one. So I have to make x. So x is equals to this one. Both are same. Both are same. So therefore LHL is equals to RHL. Okay. LHL is equals to RHL is equals to f of 0. So case 1 is okay. So f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. Where at x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 the continuous aagute. Case 1 is over. This question already proved this in last video. Okay. Another time I prove. Next second case. What is the second case? Is equals to agutalva less than 0. Less than 0 problem. Case 2. Case 2. Okay, if x less than 0, otherwise c less than 0. C less than 0. Both are same. C less than 0 or x less than 0. Okay. So I had to consider this one. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. See, x less than 0 means c or x may be minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8. All so many points are there, no? So ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. That's why we consider the c point. C point consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So c may be minus 2, c may be minus 3, c may be minus 5, ಅಥವಾ minus 1 lakh, minus 2 lakh, less than 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜನರಲ್ c ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So therefore limit x tends to c, okay, f of x is equals to limit x tends to c. What is f of x here? Modulus function. We have to consider this one. ಇದೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ LHL RHL mod x function. Mod x. So is equals to mod c is equals to f of c is equals to f of c. Mod x is equals to f of c. Okay na? So mod x is equals to f of c. So therefore limit x tends to c, f of x equals to f of c banta. So therefore this is continuous at x less than 0 or c less than 0. Second case also continuous. Second case continuous, first case continuous. Continuous ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? I'll send the pictures of the notes. Okay, next we'll move to the case 3. Case 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tell me, what is the case 3? If x greater than 0, otherwise c greater than 0. Same point only. Tell me, limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to limit x tends to c, okay, f of x. So limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to what? F of c. So f of c. So therefore modulus function substitute. So modulus function. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so mod x means mod c, so therefore is equal to f of c. Same procedure we have to follow. Here x less than 0 here, then x greater than 0. Okay na? So all x less than 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x greater than 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Same, both are same, condition is different. That's it. Here we are considering x and c points are negative values, -2, -3, -5 like that. They plus values. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ c ನೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ leave it. Okay, so therefore this is also continuous. So therefore totally we can confirm that the modulus function is continuous at x is equals to 0, continuous at x greater than 0, x less than 0. So therefore it is totally continuous at every real number. So therefore is the function defined by f of x is a continuous function? Yes, it is a continuous function. Okay, your continuous function ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So therefore my dear students, ನೀವೇನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ 3 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಅನದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ mod x ಅಲ್ಲ, mod x minus 1, mod x minus 2, mod x minus 3, mod x plus 1, mod x plus 2, all functions are continuous. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿ ಶೇಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ mod x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ x plus 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ x plus 2 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ x minus 1, sorry, this is x plus 1, this is x minus 1. Okay, so already told. So therefore modulus function is always continuous. This is very very important for CET also and also PUC, second PUC also. Okay, so my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means please comment in this below video, otherwise through WhatsApp you can communicate. Okay, thank you.